Hello, this is Irina Benedict, and today I'm here to talk to you about making decisions when you're met with resistance or even disagreement. I know it's tough right now, and I know you probably had already made some decisions, and you probably have more decisions to make as you go forward. But what do you do when the decision is right there and there is a lot of resistance? Sometimes can be your own internal resistance. And what do you do? So I see people doing three things. Either they get frustrated and they make a rash decision just to be done with it and moving forward. And this could involve letting go of some people or changing something major in their business. So as you probably guess, being frustrated and making a rash decision doesn't always result in good outcome, although sometimes could be the right decision, but that frustration may put a spin that is probably unnecessary. Then I see people who procrastinate and make no decision whatsoever. They pretend it's not there. They pretend tomorrow is better than today, and then there is another tomorrow after that. Again, that doesn't lead to moving your company forward. And then I see people who go back and forth. Should I make this decision? Should I do that? Is this going to affect that? Is it going to upset this person, the other person? And going back and forth, you usually lose sleep. You lose your appetite. You get your stress level way high. So what's the best way to make decisions? What's the better way to make decisions? You probably have your company goals, the ones that you set up way before you knew this crisis is going to happen. When you set those company goals up, you had some knowledge and some awareness of where you were, where your company been, and where you want to go. And I found that although we have this big disruption, those goals, most of them, as I work with my clients, they are still valid and they are going to happen in a different way than you expected, but they can still happen. So the way I work with my clients, it's very important to take the goal that you had and do another SWOT analysis, another strategic planning on it. And look, because now more things are not possible that you had possible before, but also there are some opportunities that are arising from the crisis. I see many people collaborating, many people pulling resources together, many people reinventing the way doing their business. So there are things that you can do a little bit different, but to achieve the same result. So my advice to you is not to let what you cannot do stand in the way at what you can do, and to do a little bit of strategic planning, like take back your values, what was important, what's your company vision. And even if you are in an industry that is highly disruptive, if you have a purpose, if you have something that you love, if your company has something that is producing or is putting into the world that is highly valuable, it has to be a way. It has to be a way, because we're producing or um, putting services into the world that are needed. And if they were needed before the crisis, they are needed now as well. So my advice to you is let go of the worry and let go of all the things of that you cannot do, and look at your goals, look at where your company was going, and ask yourself, can I achieve that in a different way? Can we achieve that in a different way? Take this opportunity to maybe improve your plans. There are many things that were invented when it was tough. So ask yourself, if my goal for this 2020 was still valid? What are other ways I can achieve them? And once you put that to your brain, that more ideas will come to you, because when you say, oh, it's not possible, things are not working out, this crisis is disruptive and we cannot do business, then you're blocking your mind. But when you are open to the possibilities, then you will see how many new ideas maybe pop into your mind. So let me know how it's going, and if I can be of any help to you, I'll be happy to connect.